welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2020 Chevy Equinox 2.4 doing a boost pressure sensor. Now, it is on the intercooler on the outlet side. Or is that the inlet side? Oh shit, I can't remember. But either way, it's on the driver's side. And it is right there. It's on the boost side. I'm used to him being on the passenger side over here. I could get to him a little bit easier, but not on this one. So, like I said, I took off the fender on the passenger side, just thinking that's how it used to be, but not today. So if you do want to do it on the driver's side, but this is what we're going to do. Underneath is going to be a valance with a bunch of 7mm little bolts, like yay. Just move them all off. There will be a hidden one right here. We'll need to loosen up the bottom half. There's like a splash shield right here. So undo 3 of the splash shield bolts. The last one kind of swivel out of the way, and then you'll be able to get to the hidden 7mm right there that you'll be able to get access to. Disconnect your fog light connector if you have to. When all of this stuff is out of the way, this will be same for both sides too. The T10s for this right here, move the splash shield out of the way, and there's going to be a, let's see right here, one more 7mm bolt, and then this whole clip will come loose. Have a bunch of 10s up top here. Once you do that, then you can pull it loose. These little angle pieces right here just slide into that slot. But if you do it from the driver's side, you'll be able to get the boost pressure sensor a lot easier. I was basically sitting in the bumper cover in order to get this thing out. But that is the how-to on that. There's not too much to it, just Torx bits and 7mm screws and flathead screwdriver, and away you roll. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.